Okay, well, thanks for following my blog. Just a little bit of an update. Nothing too much happening just at the moment whilst I'm waiting for some parts. But what has arrived so far, I can just quickly show you. We've got the clip-ons, which were used pair but in really good condition on eBay. I think I paid $22.50 for those, so it was a nice find. The set of grips, which comes with throttle, etc. Those were $12.60 for that set. I think those will look all right. We'll flip those on later on. But, so yeah. Okay. The air filters set there, the £7.60 I think for those. I also managed to pick up this the other day locally. Somebody had surplus to requirements, a megaphone exhaust. They're about 40 quid on eBay, but I managed to pick this one up for 20, and that should do nicely. I was going to go black, so it may end up getting powder coated. I'm not quite sure yet. Then again, seems a shame to spoil a nice bit of chrome like that. We will see. Just put those away. Incidentally, those were the pieces that I sandblasted myself the other day. It seemed to be working quite well, taking the rust off chrome. But when I came to try it on the frame, which you can probably just see here, I did a bit. It took forever, so I found somebody's going to be able to blast it all for me. I've cut a section out of the frame already here and cut the back bit off. So when I get the new top rail, which is going to start higher up here, and then it'll run straight across there, obviously, and it'll be a lot shorter than the original one was. So they'll be working on that soon. The top rail and seat has all been made, and yeah, once that's all been welded in place, then I can get the frame shot blasted and painted. Here you can see, I'll just get myself around here. Here you can see the old coffin style tank, which I didn't really like, and what I'm hoping has arrived today, which I'm about to unbox, will be the Kawasaki Z1000 Tank, which I'm hoping will fit. It was actually used on an American police bike apparently, and it still has the badge, the star shape of the badges on the side. So let's get this box opened. I was out for a meal the other night, and this popped up as an item I was watching, and whilst I was sat having my meal, I kept an eye on the end of the auction coming up. I think it was 15 seconds to go. I put a bid on for £112.51, and the opening bid price was £100. As I was the only bidder, £100 is what I paid for it. Now, I know it's got dents in, and nearly all the tanks I've looked at second hand are dented anyway. So there's bound to be a bit of repair to do on this. The thing about building a cafe racer, when you go and buy a new bike in the showroom, all the excitement happens on one day. But when you're building something like this, every time a new parcel arrives, it's a bit like Christmas. Good old bubble wrap. Well, hopefully I can sell the old one and get some of the money back that I paid for this one, and keep all of this packaging going back the other way. and I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that the Z1000 tank is going to fit. One of the things I noticed about the Kawasaki tank is it's very wide across here compared to some of the other makes. So let's have a look. Yeah, it is actually narrower than the other one, just in there, but I think we'll find a way to make that fit. Even if we take these off, I'm sure we can do something there. So there we see the star where the American police badges were on this particular bike that it came off. But the whole shape of the tank is far better than what I had originally. Okay, I think that's about it for today. And once I've got some other parts, the top frame welded and so forth, and I'll give another update.